So from looking at many different film posters, I have noticed there are a few similarities and differences between these posters for a thriller genre. The first similarity that I notice is most posters always use the same use of colour. This is black, white, grey, red, green and blue. These seem to appear in mostly every poster. This is because it matches what you think the genre of thriller would look like and what colours are associated to these films. They always use the main character on the front, that is always using direct address to draw the audience in to want to watch the film. This way the audience knows who's in the film and captures the audience's attention straight away and makes them want to go and watch the film. Using direct address intrigues the audience and makes them want to watch the film. The name of the film is always one of the main focuses, as they are very bold and stands out the most with the main image. This is always mostly like that because it clearly shows what the film is about and gives you an insight of maybe what the plot might be about. This attracts the audience to want to watch the film and makes them wonder what the name of the film, how this interlinks with the storyline. There's always something in the picture that is featured in the film. For example, in Shutter Island, there is a photo of the island on the poster and this links to the film. In Seven, there is the 7 deadly sins surrounding the title of the name on the poster. And in Silence of the Lambs, there is a butterfly, which also links to the film. They always have the name of the main character. They always have the names of the main characters on the poster, which draws the audience in straight away, as they know who's in it. And if there's a well-established actor, then this makes them want to go and watch the film. The title of the film is normally in white or red. This stands out and it clearly shows the name of the film. And also red and white are very bold colours, and this can connote it being deadly and also links to the genre and what it's associated with the genre. Format and layout of the posters are mostly the same. The title is at the bottom in the middle. The main image of the main characters or the main features of the film is in the middle of the poster, which stands out. The actors' names are at the top and the credits are below the title. This way you know that it's a thriller film and the audience knows it's going to be very eventful and will have lots of tension and suspense in the film because they have seen the posters that link to the film, and by having the same format and they can kind of know what they're going to expect. So now looking at the differences. Most of the posters have different actors in the picture that star in the film, obviously because not every film's going to have the same actor in it, so the posters are going to be different in that sense. This makes them different and not the same, and means that they have different types of characters in the film, so the same actor's not going to play the same type of character in the film, which will cheer the audience as they won't know what to expect. The posters are never the same, as the main images are always different. The front image is always in a different position, or the character or the object is kind of looking at the audience in a different way. This makes it interesting and gives away the feel of what the film will be like. Having effects like the Iron Man poster creates a different feeling to what the film is about, shows that all films are different, and it kind of shows the genre of the film. Sometimes there is one character on the poster and sometimes there is two, and this changes it slightly as it shows that the main characters of a film can be one or two people, depending on what the film is about. And if there's two people, there might be a divide between them, and this clearly shows in the poster.